An ankle sprain is a common injury that occurs when you roll, twist, or turn your ankle in an awkward way. This can stretch or tear the ligaments that helps hold your ankle bones together. What are the causes of ankle sprains? So ankle sprains often occur due to a fall that causes your ankle to twist, landing awkwardly on your foot after jumping or pivoting. Walking or exercise on an uneven surface. Another person stepping or landing on your foot during a sports activity. What are the symptoms of ankle sprains? So the severity of an ankle sprain can vary and symptoms may include pain both at rest and with weight bearing of activity, swelling, bruising, tenderness to touch, instability of the ankles, or feeling that your ankles is giving out. What is the treatment of ankle sprains? So most ankle sprain can be treated without surgery. Treatment typically involves a 3-phase program. So phase 1, immobilization, rest and ice to reduce swelling. Early weight bearing as tolerated is recommended. Phase 2, functional rehabilitation that focuses on range of motion exercises, isometric strengthening, and proprioceptions balance retaining exercises. Phase 3, advancements of strengthening and proprioceptions exercises and the gradual return to pre-injury activities.